So, Your Honor, I am suing Dan, who is my former brother-in-law, for $10,000 for invasion of privacy. On the night of my bachelor party, I had agreed to a haircut, but had not discussed the specifics of what the haircut would look like. And Dan cut my hair, unbeknownst to me, because I had passed out. I was asleep at that point, revealing a tattoo of mine that I preferred to keep private from the public and my ex-fiancé and friends and family.
Now, when you say ex-fiancé and ex-brother-in-law, this is the brother of the woman you were engaged to?
Yes, Dan was the brother of the love of my life, correct.
Oh, wow. Well, why did you want to keep this tattoo so private, sir?
The tattoo is from a past version of myself that is someone who had a lot of hate in their heart, someone who is not me anymore, to be completely frank with you, Your Honor. I am a new person. I'm a better person. I have empathy, and I am not the angry child I was over a decade ago when I asked to get the tattoo.
Well, listen, Mr. Wilton, the court is moved by your evolution, truly, but I do need to know, hatred towards who, sir?
Go ahead and tell us, Michael.
I don't need any help from the peanut gallery,
Sorry,
Mr. Miller. I got it. It's my courtroom. Go ahead, sir.
The tattoo when I was young that I received is what I would feel comfortable describing. It is a very racially charged tattoo. And if, respectfully, Your Honor, I would prefer to not go further in depth of what the tattoo is.
Okay. If I'm to allow for this level of discretion.
Sure.
I need to ask, would you have described your former self as a white supremacist, sir? I'm going to need an answer to this one, sir. If I'm going to give you some leeway, you got to meet me halfway, sir.
I appreciate that, Your Honor. I rode with unsavory groups, and I could have been described that way, correct?
Okay, that's what I was thinking. And you keep saying former self and younger self 10 years ago. How old were you when you got the tattoo, sir?
I was 19 years old, Your Honor.
Okay. The court is curious, sir, what prompted this about-face, this change?
The group that I was involved with was a very violent group, a very fascist, a very angry group. I was not treated very well as a child. I had a lot of anger and a lot of hate in my heart. And
like abuse from community, family, church?
From, other kids. I wasn't the biggest kid, so I was bullied a lot. And when I fell into this group, they kind of told me that I needed to be the bully. I needed to be the one that was throwing the first punch. And